You know, every single time you act as an MC at an event, you are one step closer to having to cope with an MC emergency. In this very short video, I'm going to explain exactly how to prepare and to cope with that inevitable occurrence. Hi, it's Timothy Hyde here from ExpertMC.com, the channel dedicated to helping you become a better MC and, if you want, grow an MC business. An MC emergency is going to happen to you one day, sooner or later. A speaker won't show up. The CEO will be running half an hour late. The speaker will faint on stage, and it's happened to me twice. A speaker might do 10 minutes when you were expecting him to do 45 minutes, throwing the whole schedule out of whack. So what do? You have to do something. So what do I do in an emergency? Very calmly, I reach into my top pocket and I pull out this. This is my list of things to do in this situation. I have prepared already some things that I can do to fill in the time, and I refer to that. So when the pressure is on, when everyone else is in a panic, you know exactly what to do. Let me tell you some examples of what's on my list. I could run some speed networking. I wrote a whole article about how to do that, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. I could do some LinkedIn networking, and we've done a YouTube video and an article on the website. There's a link to that as well. That's great for filling in a little bit of time. We could run some table discussions about different topics. We could give some feedback to the event organizers. They always quite like that. It's a great little bit of filler. I could run an activity. And I've got a list of the activities I do. For instance, the pig test, which is found in the ExpertMC Toolkit and Resource Manual. That is a great filler for 5 or 10 minutes. And I recently had a text message in the middle of the night from my friend Marcel over in Cape Town in South Africa. And he said, "Oh, it saved my life the other day." And I was so pleased about that. So that's something I can do. Now, a lot of MCs are also comedians, entertainers, and or speakers. And I make a quick little list of the things that I could talk about. I'd have a creativity keynote, and I can do 5 minutes, I could do 10 minutes, I could do half an hour if I needed to. But I've just got it listed here on my piece of card, and that saves my life. When it's an emergency situation, you really got to just, and go straight into it. So calm and prepared. So my challenge to you in the next day or two, get a little bit of cardboard, a file card or something like that, and jot down the things that you can do to fill in the time, and then always take it with you, not in your folio, but on your person when you're doing an MC event. That's my challenge for you. If you don't have enough content, check out the ExpertMC Toolkit and Resource Manual, and check out those videos and articles on the website, and I'll put a link to them down below. Hey, that's it. All I've got time for in this episode. I wanted to keep it short and tight, but to also leave you a challenge. Please leave a comment below or hit the like button, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. I'll see you next time.